Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 27th of January, and so I am sharing with you what I made for the Stickier Side of Crafting collab that is hosted by Houck's Crafty Cottage, and basically the purpose is to just use up stickers. So for this month, I used a sheet of K & Company dimensional stickers, and they were like snowmen and snowflakes. Very Merry Snowman is what they were called, and don't see a date. I always like to see if I can find a date to figure out. Oh, 2011. So I can see how long they've been in my stash. So I've been on a winter card kick here in the month of January, so I decided to continue that with my stickers and made a set of cards, and I did use a sketch for this one. This is Freshly Made Sketches number 122. And I basically took some paper in my stash that coordinated with the stickers. This was just kind of some loose paper in my stash, and then used some card bases that I already had in my stash as well. I had a few red and then one that was a green. And then just used the pattern paper to make the layers. I added Warm Winter Wishes. That is a sentiment I printed from my silhouette because I wanted a long skinny sentiment, and I didn't have any winter stamps that were that orientation. So then I took one of the snowmen and added it here kind of right next to the sentiment on this thick strip, and then took the rest of them. There were snowman heads and then like little candies, and so I just kind of took those and scattered them around the cards, and then on the inside I do have white paper with a strip of the pattern paper at the bottom. So they're all very similar, just maybe a different snowman and then different placements of the little extra pieces. But that used up the whole sticker sheet. So that was nice. Another sticker sheet out of my stash. There are other participants in this collaboration, and they are listed in the description box below. So please be sure to go and check them out. Everybody has a wide range of creative uses for using up their stickers each month, so please be sure to see how everybody else used theirs. Thank you guys so much for your time today, and I hope you're all having a very crafty day.